life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling.
It's Krissy Marie back with another video. Okay guys, so I was like, I'm just gonna do like a little short GRM because I have church this morning. So I took out my twist. Maybe I should have videotaped me taking those out, but oh well. I put some twist in my hair, and now I'm just about to style my hair for church. I would wear it like this, but no, it's going in the bun. Y'all already know how I am. I stay rocking buns, cause why not? Cause I just didn't feel like having my hair out today. I would, but I ain't feeling it. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I did this little braid in front. I'm not the best braider. I'm still learning. My curl is kind of cute though, but I don't want to wear my hair out. So now, y'all, I'm about to put this in a high puff. Yes. And even the part not even straight, but they really don't even matter, to be honest. So I got my Eco. We about to slick that up, and I got, you already know how I'm rocking with this, how I do my high puffs.
Boy, if you don't.
I was just trying to shake my hair to let my, let it loose a little bit. Y'all, my curls look cute. Comment down below if y'all want me to do a twist out video on my hair, cause it slick came out cute, low key. But y'all, I guess this could be a style. Slick. No, we'll do that for another video. So we're gonna get some Eco styling and just brush it up. This, I'm gonna have to pin this. Or no, I can put this up. We're gonna put Eco Style on my perimeter. On this side too. Oh, and a little bit in the back. Oh, y'all, this Eco Style is so freaking cold. It's so freaking cold. And y'all already know how I'm rocking with She Bomb. Yes. So I'm gonna get a little bit of that. Just literally a little bit. And I always put some kind of like on my edge. Not on my edge, but like up some. Kind of like over the Eco Style. That's my method. I don't know. Y'all can do whatever. But I do what works for me. Everyone's hair is different. See how slick it got just from doing that. I mean, it gets slick with the Eco Styler, but it's like sometimes I gotta put something over the Eco Styler because my hair curls up. Like it curls up. So now, you already know, I'm gonna get this. go to church, so I'm about to show y'all how my hair turned out before I go. Okay. Now my camera all discombobulated. My phone signal. But okay, you guys. That is all for this video. Just a quick little video, but please give me a thumbs up, like, and share. And if you're new, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because me and my K-Baby's lit. And why are we lit? Because you really like that, period.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my